Are you using Tadalafil but still struggling with weak or inconsistent erections? You're not alone. In fact, a surprising number of Australian men are taking this medication the wrong way. And that's exactly why it seems like it's not working. The truth is, even though Tadalafil is clinically proven to improve erectile function, most men don't get the full benefit because of simple, avoidable mistakes. Let's talk about it honestly. Many men think of Tadalafil like a magic switch. Take it, wait a little, and everything should work perfectly. But it's not that simple. Tadalafil is a medication that works best when it's used correctly, consistently, and with realistic expectations. One of the most common mistakes is treating Tadalafil like Viagra, taking it only right before sex, maybe 30 or 60 minutes before, expecting instant results. But Tadalafil has a different profile. It's a long-acting medication, which means it can stay in your body for up to 36 hours. That's why it's often called the weekend pill. But this extended action also means it works best when it builds up gradually in your system. And that's something most men don't realize. Here's another issue: the dosage. Some men think more is better and take high doses hoping for stronger results. Others take doses that are too low and give up when nothing changes. In Australia, doctors typically start with 5 ml daily, a dose that allows Tadalafil to build a stable concentration in your body. But many men don't know about the daily version. They only know the as-needed 10 ml or 20 ml version, which isn't ideal for everyone. The daily dose is often more effective for men who want spontaneous sex without the stress of timing. Everything like a science experiment, timing and consistency also matter. Taking Tadalafil at different times every day or skipping days can reduce its effectiveness. And there's the issue of food. If you take it right after a heavy, greasy meal, especially one high in fat, it can slow down the absorption and delay the effect. For best results, take it at the same time each day, ideally on an empty stomach or after a light meal. Now let's be honest, no pill, not even Tadalafil, will fix everything if your lifestyle is working against it. Poor sleep, high stress, alcohol, smoking, and being overweight all interfere with blood flow. And without proper blood flow, no medication can do its job. If you want real results, you have to support the medication with real changes, even small ones, in your daily life. And there's another thing most men don't hear enough. You need patience. Tadalafil doesn't give dramatic results overnight. It can take several days, even a couple of weeks, before you notice consistent improvement. That's completely normal. Many men stop too soon, thinking it's not working, when in reality, they just needed more time. So what's the right approach? If you're starting Tadalafil, talk to your doctor first. Ask about the daily 5 ml dose. Take it consistently, every day at the same time. Avoid heavy meals when taking it. Give it at least 7 to 14 days before judging the results. And combine that with better sleep, regular exercise, reduced alcohol, and less stress. Because let's face it, erectile dysfunction isn't just about the physical side. It's about confidence, relationships, mental clarity, and how you feel about yourself as a man. Tadalafil can help, absolutely. But the real change comes when you treat your body and your health with the respect they deserve. If you're a man over 40 in Australia and you want real, honest, and science-backed advice about your health, then this channel is for you. Here, we talk openly about the stuff no one else does, without shame, without fluff. So if this video helped you or made you think differently about your health, go ahead and subscribe to Man Strong. New videos every week to help you stay strong, confident, and in control, because your health isn't a luxury, it's your foundation, and the time to act is now.